Hello students, again welcome to the chemistry classes. In the previous class we have discussed about the first part of lubricant. Okay, so in that part we discussed about the what is lubricant, what is lubrication, and about the liquid lubricant. Today we discuss about the two more types of lubricants, that is semi-solid lubricants and solid lubricants. So the liquid lubricant means that when lubricant is obtained in the liquid form, but in many conditions liquid lubricants are not very effective. When load is high, very high, or speed is slow, in that situation liquid lubricants are not efficient. In that situation we use semi-solid lubricants or solid lubricants. So what is semi-solid lubricant? We can understand by the name, that is semi-solid means that the lubricant is not in liquid state or in solid state. The state is in between them. That type of lubricant is called semi-solid lubricant. So now we can see on the board that what is the definition of the semi-solid lubricant. These are neither solid nor liquid. A semi-solid lubricant obtained by combining lubricating oil with thickening agents. Thickening agent means those agents which mixed inside the liquid lubricant and increase density. Lubricating oil is the principal component and it can be either petroleum or synthetic hydrocarbons. Petroleum or synthetic hydrocarbon base act as a base, and in which we mix the solid components. The thickness contains a special soaps of lithium, calcium, sodium, etc. Soaps means, what is the meaning of soap? Soap means the lubricant must be slippery or supports the reduce the friction. Okay. We can also use some more non-soap thickness. Non-soap thickness contains carbon black, silica, etc. Semi-solid lubricants have higher frictional resistance than liquid lubricants. It is very obvious that liquid lubricant contains one or two properties in it. If we mix more metals or non-metals inside the liquid lubricant, in that situation the property of semi-solid lubricant will increases. It means that semi-solid lubricant is more effective in comparison to the liquid lubricant. Okay, let us continue. Due to this, it can support much heavier loads at lower speed. So example of semi-solid lubricant is grease. This is a very common example. Everybody knows about this. Okay. Now the next type of the lubricant is solid lubricants. So solid means that we can understand that this type of lubricant is in solid state, means that we can pick from one place and put on another place. We can do that work. So the definition is the lubricant existing in solid form are known as solid lubricants. The place where liquid or semi-solid lubricants are not remain due to load, then we use solid lubricants. The two most common solid lubricants are graphite. Graphite is the most common lubricant, solid lubricant, and molybdenum disulfide. These are the most common examples. Graphite is the most widely used. It is very soapy to touch, non-inflammable and not oxidized in air below 375 degrees Celsius. It means that graphite non-inflammable means what? So means that the lubricant should have a property that never catch fire, because lubricant is used in between the two moving surfaces. So due to that, it must be non-inflammable and not oxidized in air below 375 degrees Celsius. In general, such type of heat more than this value, the heat is not generated inside the machine. Now we discussed about the types of lubricants. Now the last topic of this today's discussion is function of lubricant. The last topic for today. The function of lubricant is very important. When lubricant is applied anywhere, then the students of engineering section must know about the function of lubricant. How many types of function are there? The first function is it reduces surface deformation, wear and tear. Surface deformation takes place due to heat when heat increases, and wear and tear protects from that. Second point is it reduces loss of energy in the form of heat. When friction increases, heat increases, and then energy of machine loses. So the second function of lubricant is this. Third is it reduces maintenance and running cost of machines. If resistance decreases, then wear and tear does not take place inside the machine. In that situation, what happened? Maintenance and running cost obviously decreases. And the last function of the lubricant is it protects from corrosion. If metal surface comes in contact of acidic environment in industries, or in contact of water, moisture, in that situation corrosion takes place, rust will take place on the surface. In that situation, metal will reduced, metal will lost. Okay, so if you want to protect from corrosion, then we must apply lubricant in between on the metal surface. So lubricant form a protective film upon the metal surface. In that situation, oxygen, moisture, or any type of environmental gases does not react with the metal surface. In that situation, corrosion will stop. So thank you very much to join my today's classes. In next class, I will discuss about the mechanism of lubricants. Thank you very much.